I'm going to show you how easy it is to integrate echo3D into your existing Unity project. Let's do it. We made a band practice simulator, something super simple that has audio clips attached. And when you click these buttons, you can start the music or stop them. I'll show you how it works. So each one has a full music track attached to it. So it's really just to kind of demonstrate that you can swap out graphics and audio tracks and come up with so many different projects. It would be really cool to do something with a DJ set, for example. But what we're going to do for the purpose of this demo is we're going to have these assets pulled in from the echo3D cloud, and we're going to line them up so they still work with the colliders during gameplay. First things first, you're going to sign up for your echo3D trial. Just go to echo3d.co and click on sign up, and you'll see this screen. Meet you at the next step. In your console, you're going to go to the downloads section at the top, and under SDKs, you're going to download the Unity SDK. Once this downloads, you're just going to import it into Unity. The models that you need are in the models folder in the project, so all you have to do is upload those to the echo3D console. All right, when you're in Unity, go look for the music scene, and this is where we're going to be operating. So for this demo, we're going to be swapping out the 3 instruments and have these get pulled in through the echo3D console during play mode. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the echo3D SDK, and you can highlight these 3, it's just a little hack, and drag the echo3D script onto all of them, and we can see success, each one has it. And then we're going to go back to the echo3D console where you uploaded these 3 assets into your cloud. All right, so this is how you're going to add the API keys. Now that we have the echo3D script on each of the instruments, we're going to go back to the cloud. So up here is your API key. We're just going to go ahead and copy that, and we'll go to our first object, which is our drum. And then if you click this little triangle, you'll get the entry ID right here. Copy that and put that here. And we're going to do the same for each instrument. Black glitter, that's so metal. All right, piano. Same situation. Okay, now we're going to save in Unity. All right, so at this point, you can go ahead and just select them all, turn off the sprite renderer. We want to see where all the assets come in organically. Once they get pulled in through the console, this is going to take just a little bit of reworking. So once you hit play, you'll see where everything comes into the scene. You can get a better view actually right here. So as you can see, they're all overlaid on top of each other. And we're going to go ahead and tweak that a little bit, play around. I'm going to link in the tutorial where you can look at the metadata and what that means. So after fiddling around a little bit with the assets in the scene, this is the metadata that I came up with. And if you go to the tutorial, I have it all laid out for you. So now that we're pulling in the assets from the echo3D cloud, let's see what it looks like and make sure that everything is working like it did before.